Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to use a shrinker stretcher to make it fit these curves. Started with a piece of flat steel. I did a 90-degree bend on it, offset it by 1 inch. So this is going to be the inch overlay. I already marked where I need to make it fit this radius. So here in a second, we're going to go over to my stretcher, my foot operated stretcher, and then we're going to put a curve here, which is going to cause this to kick up. And then we'll start working this curvature up here with the shrinker or the stretcher as well. All right, so let's go to the machine. All right, so this is our stretcher, foot operated. So where I have this is where I want the jaws to primarily focus on. I'm going to stick it in. Go. And then we're going to start very slowly and we're going to stretch it till we get the curvature that we want. So as I'm stepping, I'm moving it side to side. And you're going to see some marring on it, but that's taking this metal, stretching it, and it's going to start to give you a curve right here. All right, so I got my curvature about where I want it. As you guys remember, started with a flat piece. I did end up having to just put a little heat here just to make this bend a little bit easier. This is 20 gauge steel. So it's not super thick, not thin. It does move, but this is about 10 or 15 minutes of work on that stretcher. So now what we got to do is shrink this area to get this 90-degree angle to start wrapping around and fitting this contour. So we'll go and get on the shrinker. We'll start about right here and then get this curvature going. All right, so this is my shrinker. So what it does is it smushes the metal in, whereas the yellow one spreads it out. I haven't finished my foot operation lever on it yet, so I'll have to be doing it by hand. But just so you guys can see, this is where I need my curve to start. I went ahead and took a little bit of MAP gas and just softened this metal so it doesn't take as long to get it to curve. But put my glove on, and we'll get this curved out. There you go. So putting on the finishing curves on it, but as you can see, it is no longer straight. So I'll finish up. To get to this point, about 10 or 15 minutes of shrinking, and I had to heat it a few times just to kind of relax it so it wouldn't be as hard to get it to do it. But I'll do the final adjustments for y'all. So as you can see, it's curved. It curved it, and then I still have my original stretching that we worked on. This is all Harbor Freight tools, all done by hand, a little bit of heat, and now we'll go test fit it. All right, so we're gonna do our test fit. So as you guys can see, I have a curve that sweeps this way. It goes down into a bend, which we have. We have a curve that sweeps down and comes back up. And there we go. Another angle so you guys can see it. Yeah, this is how you use a sinker stretcher on steel, and then I'll finish going all the way around. But this is about maybe 35 minutes worth of work to get this curve. So get this inward curve and this kick up, and then doing a 90-degree bend on a flat piece of metal. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something. Give it a try. It's pretty easy to do. And post some comments or questions. Thank you.